Hi friends, in this lecture we'll study about the single line text and multi-line text in Autocad 2024. So before we start with the training, I would request you to download the file slml.dwg which is provided to you in the description of this video. Once the file is open, the next thing which you have to ensure is that you are in the layer whose name is Sam's text, the red color layer. Also, click on the annotation and ensure that in the text style, labels-model-5" should be the current layer, should be the current text style. Now, after you have ensured that labels-model-5" is the current label style or the text style and the layer is Sam's text, we will now study the command single line text. So for this, in the Home tab, in the annotation panel, here you see there is a text flyout. And if you click on this flyout, we will see there are two options. One is single line and second is multi-line. So first we will use the single line command. So I'll click over here to select single line and notice that the AutoCAD equivalent command is text. Then it is asking me specify the start point of the text. So I click over here and then it is asking me for the rotation angle. So I do not want any rotation, so let it be 0. I hit enter and then it is asking me for the text. So in capital letters I will type kitchen. Okay, after that I'll press enter and again press enter to end the command. Now if I want to move this text, I'll click anywhere on the text to select the text this way and then you'll see these handles. So I can click on the handle and I can right click and I have the option to move. So it is asking me specify the base point and specify the new location. So this is how you can work with the single line text. Now we'll see the next command, that is the multiple line text. So again we'll click on the Home tab. In the annotation panel you have the text flyout and we select multi-line. Notice that the AutoCAD equivalent command is mtext. Now it is asking me for the first corner of the text followed by the second corner, that is the opposite corner. I'll click over there and then it will ask me for the common text. So I'll write over here, since it is a multiple line text, I can write in multiple lines. So I'll write down common washroom and it is for guests. After that I'll click on close text editor and my multiple line text is created. Now if I want to copy this text, I'll click on the text, I will right click and I would select copy selection. Then I would specify the base point and specify the new location. After that I would press escape to end the command, and if I want to edit this, I will just double click on it and then I can edit it. Master washroom. And then I would click on close text editor. So friends, in this particular video we have studied how to use the text command and how to use the multiple line text command of AutoCAD. Hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.